Feeling the cash crunch and need to access the funds in your Novo account? You're in the right place. While Novo is a fully digital business banking platform with no physical branches, getting your money is actually super simple. Whether you need cold hard cash or to transfer funds to another account, we've got you covered. Let's break down the 3 primary ways to withdraw money from Novo. First up, the most straightforward method, using your Novo Business Debit MasterCard. Since Novo doesn't have its own ATM network, they give you the flexibility to use any ATM you want. Seriously, any ATM. And here's the best part, Novo doesn't charge you any ATM fees. On top of that, they'll actually refund any fees charged by the ATM owner, up to $7 per month. Just make a withdrawal, keep an eye on your account, and you'll see those refunds applied at the end of the month. The daily ATM withdrawal limit is $1,000, which is more than enough for most small business needs. Next, let's talk about digital transfers. The most common way to move money out of your Novo account is through an ACH transfer. This is a free and reliable way to send money to another bank account you own or to a vendor. Simply link your external account using the Novo app or website, and you can push funds out of Novo. These transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to process. For a faster option, Novo also offers express ACH transfers for a small fee, which can get you same-day or next-day transfers. This is perfect for time-sensitive payments like payroll. And finally, for international transfers, Novo has you covered with its integration with Wise. If you need to send money abroad, you can initiate a transfer directly through the Novo app using the Wise integration. This is a fantastic solution for sending international wires with low fees and great exchange rates. So, to recap, use your debit card at any ATM for cash withdrawals and get a fee refund, use a free ACH transfer for moving money to another U.S. account, or use the Wise integration for quick and easy international payments. It's all designed to be simple and seamless. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.